Hey there, Mother Francis here, and this is a departure from my normal videos. I am a Catholic padre, and basically I make homily videos every week for my congregation, my parish, and so today I'm going to be doing an upgrade on my 2013 Mac Pro. Now I got this 5 years ago at Best Buy, brand new, in 2016. And I just saw a wonderful video by, I think it's the gentleman is in England, Constant Geekery. And after watching his video a couple of times, I'll be also referencing it again on my iPad here, gave me enough confidence to think, you know what? I think I'm going to try to upgrade my MacBook, or my Mac Pro 2013, because again, I make these videos and I need a good, reliable machine. And I still have to say that I love, in many ways, I know everybody calls it the trash can Mac, but I call it the Darth Vader Mac. So, without further ado, this is going to be my attempt at doing a little CPU upgrade to the 2013 Mac Pro. So here we are. Had to put my glasses on. So I've got this upgrade kit from OWC, Otherworld Computing, and I'm going to be putting in a 12-core Xeon 13X 2697 processor. And so without further ado, I'm going to also use this new toolkit, the torque set of screwdrivers that came from OWC, which I ordered. And after watching Constant Geekery's video on several occasions, I feel reasonably confident that I can do this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to pop out the RAM memory. That might be easier said than done. Oh, okay. This has currently, I think, 24 gigs in there, and I'll be upgrading that very soon to 64 gigs. You just push in this little slot here. It pops out. Bob's your uncle, Sally's your aunt. Okay. There we are. Okay. And then I think the first set of screws to come out is a T10. Here's a T10 wrench right here. I'm kind of excited about these. I hope that they will do the trick here. So here we go. I wish I had a little bit. Oh my goodness. Those are in there. I wish I had a little bit more torque on this little screwdriver. Is it magnetized? Okay, it's magnetized. All right, that's awesome. Okay, so now let me go ahead and, oh, wait a minute. There's another one of those in there. Okay. Okay, there we go. So let me do that and try and get these all out. Okay, so, there we are. This comes up like that. Oh my goodness. Look at all those little dust bunnies in there. Okay. All right. So now, okay, so these are two little T8 screws that need to come out of this right here. Fortunately, those were not as secure as the other one. Oh, that's right, they're captive, so I don't have to worry about them falling down into the machine. Okay, that comes off. Now this little thing here, I've got like a little spudger thing. See if I can pop that off. Boy, that's dusty. Okay, that's not really coming off that well. Oh, there it is. Okay, and then the airport antenna, I think, comes off next. Okay, I hope I didn't break that. Okay, so the fan is extremely dirty, and that will be cleaned up a little bit later. Okay, so now we go back and we undo the 5 T10 screws at the bottom. Okay, so now I guess we can just lift it up. And there's that other T10 screw, and then you carefully put it back, I guess, in there. Okay, so now we have these two little brackets here that need to come out. And this is one of the ones uh-oh. Okay, that's one away. Boy, this is really going to have to be cleaned. Okay, that's 2 away. And then there are a couple of T8 screws up here which need to be removed. Okay. And then it's also a little bridge up here that you have to kind of gently pull free. There we go. Okay, and then one more of these little brackets here. My goodness. Okay. Sometimes I smoke a pipe from time to time, not every day, not all the time, but boy, it sure is dirty and dusty. So it's going to get a good blowout here in just a little bit. So wow, that's pretty dusty. Okay. Okay, took a little break there. Went and got a couple little things to hold the screws in so I don't lose them. They're quite small. Okay, so the next thing we do is we take the whole unit and we turn it right side up again and put it back into the metal case. And now we're going to remove this little grill here. There's a little grill on top. Looks like you could grill some hamburgers on there if you wanted to. It's a T5 screw. So suppose, and this is, oops. Okay. Okay, that one seems to come loose pretty easily. Put that in here. I'll turn around and do it one more time. Okay, there we go. I'm going to remove now this little grate. Isn't it great? Oh, I know that feels like it's kind of plasticky. I'm surprised about that. Okay, and then there are these 6 screws at the top here that need to be removed. And I believe those are T10s. Now let's see. Are those T10s or T8s? Ah, looks like they're T8s. Okay, so, all right, okay. There we are. Oops. Ooh, almost lost that one. Okay, and they're silver color. Okay, stop that, stop that. Stop. Okay. All right, put those there. Okay. That's nice. Some do the nice, some don't. I feel the power simply start to go away. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's the power assembly away. Power assembly done. Okay. And now we're kind of getting to the moment of truth here with the processor right here. Don't know if you can see it or not, but that's where we're headed, towards the processor. So it looks like we've got these outer screws that we have to take off now, and we'll be doing that next. Okay, it looks like we take our trusty rusty T10 and we start to very carefully do a crosshatch pattern with the outside screws to loosen this metal plate and to remove the CPU. So we'll start with this crosshatch pattern. Okay. Oh my goodness, this one here. Boy, they really put this one down tight. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
That is not good. Wow. That is not good. Oh. Boy, I cannot get that out. Oh. My goodness. Oh.
The emergency bypass control of the matter antimatter integrator is fused. It's completely useless. The engines are running wild. There's no way to get at them.
Yes. Wait, there's one there. I'm afraid that somehow it got stripped, not by me, but when whoever was putting this thing in there. Wow. Wow. Well, I need something with more torque.
Scotty, you've got to get me some maneuvering power. I can't repair warp drive without a space dock. Then get me impulse power, half speed, quarter speed, anything. If we can get this Hulk moving, maybe we can do something.
I cannot believe it. I got this far and now I can't get it done. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. Yeah. I get there. Bridge in there. Oh man. Oh. Okay, well, I just don't know. I think that's know if that's coming off or not. I think it's moving. I think it's moving. Okay. Now, it kind of feels like they stripped it. You know, when they do a they put a screw in wrong and they just force it in. That's kind of what it feels like on this. Is it somehow it was a Friday and they wanted to get home to the family. Sounds good. All right. Thanks to my little wrench set up there, I think we were able to get it done there. Okay, it looks like now I'm supposed to be able to just gently pull this apart. Well, and there it is. Wow. Okay. So there's a lot of old dried out thermal paste on there, as well as on here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a alcohol wipe and clean them off. Okay, so I'm back and it looks like we are now ready to remove. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, so if you're doing this, just know that there's these little protector things over the screws there. And if you're like me, and I am, I got a little bit nervous because I realized, wait a minute, there's something wrong here. Okay, so you got to take these off. They're like little protector things to kind of, I guess they're showing that you tampered with something, so you void your warranty. But oh well. Okay. All right. Hopefully I won't have the same problem I had a few minutes ago. Okay. 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 All right. Those have to go on next. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, so the moment of truth. Just got to the Intel Xeon E5 1628 processor. And so it looks like now all we need to do is get the new processor in there. Okay, so it looks like it's the moment of moment of truth. Oops, that came loose, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Okay. Ooh, boy, I tell you, I'm a wee bit nervous. Okay, so here we are. I've been told it can only go in one way. Okay. Is that it? Is that it? Okay, so I'm going to put this little metal gate back on here. Okay. Okay, then this little cage goes back. Is that right? Okay. Okay, so I'm finishing up putting the new CPU in, and it's been quite frustrating. Be interesting to see this video when I can play it back.
It would be a fascinating project.
Okay, that one's done. That one's just about done. I have to say I'm going to be very amazed if this actually works again, because I have been poking and jabbing all sorts of things all over. Okay. Okay, that's that. Boy, I don't know. Boy, I just don't know. I don't have a whole lot of confidence that this is on right. Well, hold on. Okay, I got the thermal paste on there now, and it looks like all I need to do is marry up this board with the processor on it with the rest of the unit here. So here we go. I think we almost started. Okay. Okay, I can see that this is the one that was stripped out. I'm going to have to use a little wrench trick here to screw it in. Okay. Yeah, one there. Okay, just, okay. All right. I think that's the CPU in now. Kind of a good thermal design. That's why I call it the Darth Vader Mac. Okay. Looks like now what we do is we are going to reattach the power supply. Okay, so now we're going to reattach the power supply. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. And that little cage. Nicolas Cage, right? Okay. Okay, these are T5s. Okay. Okay, that's 2. Now I believe we need to turn it upside down. Turn it upside down and then attach this here. Okay. Okay, oh boy, that's right. I gotta plug that one there back in. Oh, I still have to dust that off a little bit. Okay. That looks like that's back on. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Oh my goodness, I will be really surprised if this actually works. Okay, I think these are T8s. Nope, that's a T5. T8. Okay. T8. Yeah. There. Okay, so I got this little circuit board on now, and all the graphic cables. What was that? The graphics card cables are connected again. So I think now that I need to do is put it inside the bottom of this and attach the screws, and I think we'll be close to getting finished with this. Okay, there's one. 2. Okay. All right. Now what we do is we place the top back on, starting with the antenna cable here. That might be easier said than done. I think I was right about that. That's definitely easier said than done. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Okay, were these T8s? I think these are T8s. And that's probably okay. Okay. Can't believe it. I think I've got it. Okay. All right. And then okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Huh. All right, the last 5 T10 screws, I think. Okay. Okay, let's go. And zipper. Okay. And last row. All right, so all that's left to do now is to put in the RAM. Got a nice blister on that finger there. Okay, put in the RAM. I'm going to put back in the old RAM memory for now, and just to see if it all works. Okay, hopefully we'll be back in with a little success story, I'm hoping. Okay, well, I got everything put back together, and the moment of truth. And I had a few extra parts left over, so that's good, I think, because I could probably sell those on eBay. But, well, unfortunately, all I can tell you is that it looks like it works. So I'm pretty excited, and it is showing up as a 12-core GPU in the MacPro, and now I'm going to put in some new RAM memory. I'm also going to update the SSD now. But the big job is done. I think it took me almost 2 hours to do it, filming it. So hopefully you got something out of that. Thank you now for watching, and check me out on my other videos. All right. God bless. Bye-bye.